Yung MM ay nandun sa kanya yung eyes. Patay na yung MM. Na corner.
Your future is grim.
Buhay pa.
Sige, pupuntahan ko.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Eternity is up for debate.
I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion. Rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking. Reopen. The scars have awoken. I can't.
I had to come back, yet I don't belong here.
Never at home. Need to be strong. Every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till
Meron nila.
Water is patient, formless. So am I.
Diyan integrate, anti-integrate.
Shadows grow longer the more we delay. To the deep with you! Let's not waste the light. Forward.
Launch attack! Blood!
What will my home look like once my work is done?
Request backup!
Like a droplet turning to its cloud.
Request backup! Launch attack! Gather us the turtles! Request backup!
My world is lost, but it doesn't have to be. Jump!
The turtle! Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
Napakapit.
Enemy missing!
It's all right to start anew.
Yan na. Yan na. Secret.
Initiate retreat! Ally has been slain.
Keep an eye on the map.
Hindi ko nakita.
Missing!
Baka napagalit.
Days like this make me miss the
Sayang lang
future.
kasi yung minions.
Nawawala lagi dito rin. Makalaban natin kanina yan.
Yung Tigreal?
Oh!
Oo nga no. Hindi niya kasama yung... nandito rin si Ryan at saka si ano yung King.
Andreo.
Launch attack!
Trio sila.
Launch attack!
Binabawian tayo.
To the deep!
Pupunta na ako dyan.
An enemy has been slain! You have slain an enemy! Ally has been slain! Initiate retreat!
Naran dyan na.
Like a droplet turning
Di ba yung
to its
kanina, Pep? Anong kasama natin? Nakalaban natin to?
Yung
Si
milita.
ano yung expert? Yung milita.
This should buy me
Launch
some time.
attack! Enemy missing!
Tatansuin ko to.
Get vision for me!
Nakakaya kasi.
Time's up.
Ay! Beb, bakit na yung na-ultian ko yung ano? Ay, na-flame shot ko yung buff na yan. Ito, to buff na, to visit na buff na yan, umarang.
By the hands of time.
Teka lang, Beb, wala ako mulina. Magiging mulina yan. Lang. Tatapunan ko mulina yan para di siya makapagano.
Destroy the turret.
Ayun na, babe.
Oo mo na, Beb. Ultian ko na lang.
Back na.
Beb, wait lang, wala ko passive. Sayang, Beb, yung pagka-ulti mo, kinain. Sayang yung ulti ko dun.
Let's not waste the light. Forward.
Initiate retreat.
Tira lang.
Your team destroyed.
Ano, tawag dito? Alis mo na, MM. Hindi ko nakita yung mage.
Back a water.
Patay siya.
You have slain an enemy. Have been slain.
Sana yung MM?
Battle fell in cooldown. Battle zone attack.
Uy, nagulat ako dun ha. Push na lang to.
You destroyed a turret.
Tara, Beb, turtle tayo. Pusa.
Nice one.
Beb, yan ang baka, ano sa kay Alice. Ay, yung Alice. Alice ba yan? Pag naging push yan, wala nagsilbi yung ano. Counter sa kanya yan.
Request backup.
Ay, yung ano, Beb, talungan nyo. Yung
By the
stand.
hands of time.
Yeah, Beb, nandiyan yung Dora. Papunta sa inyo. Layo ko. Nag-clear pa siya ako ng items.
Retreat. Request backup.
Enter the void.
Enemy has
Ayo.
To the deep with you.
backup. Ult is ready.
Beb, yung Alice ko makikita nandiyan.
This should buy me some time.
Yung MM, ay nandun sa kanya yung Alice. Wala, patay na yung MM. Na corner.
Your future is grim.
Buhay pa.
Sige, pupuntahan ko.
Unstoppable. Double kill. Launch attack. Triple kill. Shut down.
Sorry, hindi kita na shield.
Your team destroyed a turret.
My world lost.
Launch attack.
Sige, Beb, magano na ako.
Can't hold back a waterfall.
Lord, kaya ka na bala dito sa amin. Push.
An ally has slain Lord.
You belong to the past now.
Wala ako kasama dito.
To the deep with you.
Hmm.
Okay.
To the deep with you.
Request backup.
Time's up.
Launch attack.
Enter the void.
Wala ulti. Teka, Pep, sakit. Hampas-hampas pa ng bomba naman.
To the deep with you.
Yeah, I'ma train hard, mistakes turn into learned scars. To build a brickyard, it's one by one, each bar. So build it tall, build it strong, build it large. And build it large, so reliable, you can reach the stars. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna